Hey, fifth grade. Our grammar skill for this week is going to be working on interjections. And an interjection is just an expression that shows strong feeling. We don't use a lot of these when we're writing formal papers or when you're writing something to turn into me. That's what I mean by formal. But if you're writing like a letter or an email or something that's a little bit more informal, we use these all the time. So if I say, wow, you're doing a great job, the word wow is an interjection. It's something that just shows feeling. And oftentimes an interjection will have an exclamation point at the end to show that strong feeling. So I might say, wow, you are doing a great job. Now, sometimes, and I can put an exclamation point at the end of that too if I'm really excited. Um, Sometimes the interjection doesn't show as strong of a feeling. Um, let's say I do something and I hurt myself, but it's not like a huge deal. I might say, ouch, that kind of hurt. In that case, I would just end my sentence with a period and I would have a comma after my interjection. So those are two different ways that you can use it. This is when there's a really strong emotion, when I'm either really excited about something or really angry about something. I'll use an exclamation point, and when I'm not, when I'm just kind of indifferent about it, I'll use a comma. That's an interjection. And like I said, we don't normally use this kind of writing when we're writing a paper to turn in for class, but when we're writing something that's a little bit more informal, make sure you're using this correctly, okay? Page 600 is going to be your activity for this week, so you're welcome to get started on that grammar page. It will not be assigned until tomorrow. You can do it on Pearson Realize or in your book, but if you want to go to page 600, that'll give you a few more examples about how to use interjections in your writing. Have a good week, guys.